Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel an order in the TikTok app. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, straight up, if you just finished ordering your particular item, you can just go ahead and tap on view order right here. Okay, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can go ahead and tap on cancel order. Okay, if not, if you have just recently changed your mind, you can go ahead and go back to TikTok shop. And here, just go to the top, and these tabs is just tap on orders. Okay. Now in here, as you can see, we have the item and the cancel button at the bottom right. Just tap on it. And it says here, cancel your order in one easy step. Just tap on cancel order. And as you can see here, as fast as that, your order has been canceled. Okay. Also, in some instances, it will ask you the reason why you wanted to cancel your order. Just go ahead and enter the reason, and then once done, tap on cancel once more and you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.